So this is a self-manager program. I have been doing this for, I don't know, 6-7 years as a principal, and the whole purpose of it is it is a way to incentivize and reward every student who is coming to school, who is displaying good behavior, and they're doing their work.
We have like these badges, and it's like people that like follow the rules and do like safe things at the school and are really responsible and respectful to other teachers and kids, and they earn this to come here because like they're being responsible and respectful.
When you're a self-manager, you can get rewards like this, like bowling. Because we were very respectful and listened very well in class and in school boundaries. It's pretty weird because usually we're just
usually we're just doing about at this time we would be doing reading, like
reading, reading, math. It takes a little time and it takes a lot of hard work to get here, but once you're here, you're happy and you did it.
There is always the initial stress because you're leaving your school. You're responsible for 80 or so students. You want to make sure everyone is safe, so that's like my dad had. But no, the ultimate thing is cool. It is like school is supposed to be fun. This is a place where we should have good memories. It's not all about testing or something, but it's about doing work, working hard, and then being rewarded. So I love it.